If you're looking for an AirTag tracker as same size of bank cards and works on an Android smartphone, then watch this video as I unbox and test this device. But before that, kindly hit that button below, like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated. As stated, that this AirTag tracker works only on Android devices, and it is needed to be connected on FindHub app. Let's unbox it first. And to start with is a bunch of paper manual. Calling to all companies, start using an online manual since we are now in a digital era. If you can incorporate all this information into a QR code, then the better. So in the box and in the manual, it is stated that this device is suitable only for Android devices and uses FindHub app. And of course, this card size AirTag tracker. As an overview of the device, on this side is the power button and the light indicator for charging and emergency light alarm, which you can't notice when the light is off. This tracker, which has the same weight of an ATM card, also made of a type of plastic material, which is coated like with a matte finished appearance. And a built-in rechargeable battery, which supports only a wireless charging capabilities, since there is no room for charging port. Just to have a comparison between ATM card, then in terms of size, it's identical, and in weight and the thickness of this tracker in between the ATM card, well, I may say it is just a very, very small difference. And as you can see, it is perfectly fit into the wallet card compartment, which it doesn't consume a bulky appearance compared to those rounded shape AirTag. And in case your Android smartphone doesn't have FindHub app, then download it on your Play Store. So how to connect the AirTag tracker into the FindHub app? First, turn on the AirTag tracker and wait till a notification sound will play. Then the device will automatically pop up in the screen and press to connect. Wait until it is successfully connected. Then turn on all the necessary button for you to be notified whenever or wherever the device might be. And if you wanted to change the device name that describes the things that you want it to protect, then press the setting icon and then press the edit icon for the device name. Well, compared to both app of iOS and Android, I may say iOS app is much creative rather than the FindHub of Android. So now it is connected. The only downside of this FindHub app is it will only pinpoint the location where the device stays. The real-time GPS movement is not on this app. And if you wanted to know the movement of the tracker, then press Get Direction, and you will go into another app, which is the Google Map. Unlike with Apple or iOS Find My app, in that app, you will know exactly the device tracking movement instantly without going into another app. And to test the GPS tracking movement, here it is. At this time, the device is in with me, and I am walking around the area. Well, indeed, this AirTag tracking device is really useful. The GPS tracking movements is accurate. For me, this is really a perfect companion for traveler, keeping our belongings safe and secured. At around €20, I purchased this device without any regrets. As you can see, this is a very reliable device. This discreet design perfectly fits on card wallet compartments without compromising the space of the wallet. And what is more impressive is the battery. You may be confused how the battery fits in this kind of dimension. Indeed, it works. And it is almost a month of my usage, and the battery is still full. As you notice in the Google Map app, the tracker is moving while I am walking, whereas in the Find Hub app, the tracker was on steady position in the last address where I stay before I start walking. And how to know the device battery status. So in the app, down of the AirTag name is where the battery status is located. And in the events that you've lost your belongings and you're in a crowded area, which you can't locate exactly your belongings, then press the play sound and the device will alarm. And in the instances that you can't still locate the location of your belongings, then press this button. Another feature that will help you is that you will get a hint when the more you get closer as you approach on your lost belongings. So what is your thoughts about this tracking device? Please leave your comments below. And that's it. If you've reached until this video, then thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.